Nababo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louis and welcome to We're in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our We're in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank ZK's Crispy Pata Food House for sending us 4 of their products. If you notice guys, sa table natin ngayon, so we have crispy ulo. Check that out. It's so mouth-watering. This is their crispy pata. So I think this is where it all began. And this is also their crispy liempo. Yan. And then the last one is the fried chicken regular. Okay, so let us mention some information before we start. So meron po silang stall sa Angeles City, which is along Santo Entierro. And they also have one in Bulacan. Malapit na malapit lang po siya sa Parasol Church. Anyway, so the fun part of this vlog is of course taste testing yung nasa table natin. I wanna go first dito sa crispy ulo natin, which I introduced first. Wow, so this one is consists of yung panga. Wow, grabe! This is my personal opinion. Halos kasi sarap siya ng isang lechon. And you know what? To top it all off, this sausawan natin vinegar with soy sauce is actually amazing. Now, I wanna put some onion dito sa sausawan natin. Now, the crispy ulo is 1.2 kilograms and I guess this can be served, I guess, 5 to 6 persons. This is really huge and malaman actually siya. Now, I wanna taste it again. This time, let's get some great portion of this meat. Dip into our sauce. Wow. All honesty guys, napakalambot. The meat is not dry. And skin niya is still crispy, although this has been sitting for a while now. They delivered this, we took some photos. And then yung balat niya is still actually crispy. It is. I wanna go next to our fried chicken here. This is the regular one. And snap it. Ooh! So let's taste this one. Dip into our goody vinegar sauce. Super duper I like it. I wanna taste yung kanilang crispy liempo. So we chopped this earlier. I gotta get this one. Ayan. Wow. Meat overload. Let's split the meat from the skin. Dip it sa sausawan natin. Wow. Now, tiyanuhan natin siya ng skin plus onion plus a little bit of the chili. Now let's come to the end of the road with the crispy pata. So earlier we did some, slice it so that we can, para makita natin yung sa loob. Later yung balat. I wanna taste first yung kanyang laman. Look at that, it's dark meat and it's actually flaky. Plus guys, so moist. It actually contained yung moist ng meat natin, so not dry. That's what I like about these kinds of food. So dip it to our vinegar sauce. To tell you honestly guys, I gotta tell you, yung laman po nung crispy pata nila is super duper lambot. That's what I can attest to. Para sa crispy pata nila, for the regular of 1.3 kilogram, it's only 380 pesos. For the jumbo, which is 1.7 kilogram, it's only 430 pesos. Wow! I wanna go back to this crispy ulo right here. Ang sarap kasi nung balat niya. And again, I can attest you guys, it is crispy. Super crispy. Can you hear it? Oh man, definitely so crispy. Alright, so there you have it guys. If you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Make sure to check out ZK's Crispy Pata Food House. Makikita nyo po sa Facebook nila. Their handle is actually the best crispy pata. Well, it's actually one of the best, if I may, put it into honest perspective. This is really, really good. Again, thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Share this video and make sure to check them out. The Facebook is flashing on your screens right now, and also the number you can call so that you can order. Until our next video, please stay safe and stay at home. Peace. Bye-bye.